everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is a really exciting day because we are getting our Peloton delivered. That's right, I ordered a Peloton and I did just in time because in the Toronto area, gyms are shutting down again. Restaurants are shutting down. We're going back into stage 2. So I think it's about a good time to kind of get it because who knows what this winter is going to be like. We're obviously not going back to a gym and I want to get, you know, a good workout in. I want to stay in shape. And yeah, so we decided to go with a Peloton bike. It will be here in 20 minutes. Due to COVID, they actually have to assemble it outside and basically hand it off to us. So that should be interesting. But we ordered the Peloton, I think it's the new bike, but it's like the Family Plus pack. I'll look it up and when I get it, I'll show you everything. It is going to be going right there in our dining room. I know, classy, right? But at this point in our life and where we are in this time of life and season, I don't think we're really gonna be having too many people come over. So it's gonna be going right here for now. Eventually, it will probably go in our bedroom, but I think it's a good spot. It's kind of away, so when you walk in the door, you actually don't see it because of that wall. And it's gonna face the TV. We also have our beautiful windows and nature that we can look at. So I'm pretty happy about that for now. I mean, it's not a big deal. So we have about 20 minutes till they get here, 20 minutes till it gets assembled, and then we will go down and get it, and I'm so excited. Here she is. She's still wrapped up. We got her inside. It was a challenge, but I'm happy she's home. You know, I really don't mind this situation. Don't mind, our neighbors are doing renovations. Oh gosh. So it turned out that they brought it into our door. They just don't come into your home. It's gonna drive me nuts. So, which was hard because we basically had to bring it in and then lay down the mat and like lift it on. It was not a easy task, but I wanted to show you everything that we got with it. Oh my gosh, that's gonna drive me nuts. Okay, I got the Bike Plus family package, which came with 3-pound weights, 2 pairs of shoes, a yoga block, a yoga strap, 2 water bottles, which they said weren't in stock, so they're sending them to us. Not a big deal. A Peloton bike, reversible workout mat, resistant bands, bike mat, and warranty. So, came in these nice bags. Let's do it this, come over here. Nice. These are, Amy Lee has a Peloton, so it's like not my first time seeing these, but these are the shoes. Clip in. Oh, my quinoa. Just forgot about that. Okay, so we got 2 pairs of shoes. Andrew got a pair, I got a pair. We have another package. This is the resistance bands. I will say I love their matte black packaging. Side note, I never in my life thought I would ever own a Peloton bike. I actually made fun of it. It came with light, medium, and heavy. I'll just take out one. Oh, they're like these. Oh, okay, these are really nice. Oh, and then we have the yoga block. And then the only other thing was the yoga mat. I lied, there's more stuff. Okay, the yoga mat is so heavy. It is like, oh my gosh. This is the heaviest yoga mat ever. I'm not gonna take that out, sorry. It's reversible, red on one side, black on the other. And then this is, oh, it was already open. All the stuff. I think that's to adjust the seat and things, the power cord. Oh, what else? Oh, and then the 3-pound weights. Okay, these are the 3-pound weights. Great. Yeah, so that is all the stuff. We got 2 shoes, weights, water bottles haven't come, workout mat, the bike mat, resistant bands, yoga blocks, and I think that's it. So I will see you when this is ready to be ridden. Yeah. Hey everyone, it is the next day. I know yesterday ended up being super crazy and I didn't end up unwrapping the Peloton bike till much later, and I did do a ride twice. I did one last night and one this morning, and my behind is quite sore. The seat, I have taken cycling classes before, so I knew that that was gonna happen. I just kind of forgot, and this morning when I went to do my morning ride, I was like all ready, gung-ho, wearing my outfit, sat down on the bike and was like, oh Nelly, can I even do this? But I persevered. I'm gonna show you what it looks like unwrapped, and if you are new to getting a Peloton bike, kind of like what the, I guess the starter stuff is, and I'm gonna show you the classes that I've just taken just as a beginner. So let's take a look. Okay, so starting out on the screen is really big, really nice. As you can see, there's already fingerprints on there from Andrew and I riding it. And then it has a little camera cover, so it's actually switched to like not the camera right now. I like that they have that. And then I'll just give you like a quick glance, even though you've already kind of seen it. Here are 2 water bottle holders. Nice. Place to plug in your headphones. I will say I haven't used wireless headphones, but I tried syncing my Apple Watch and it wouldn't connect, so I don't know what's going on with that, but hopefully I can pair that together. Then we have, you've seen this knob, but apparently this is a newer knob than the old one. It's got gold, I believe that's gold, not silver. I don't know. Yeah, and then here are the weights and a rack. And then basically they teach you that you want your elbow to be at the end and just about touching the handlebars. And that's the right height, and then the height has to be like at my hip. Yeah, they teach you all this. They have really great tutorials, so I'll turn this on. If you just touch it, it turns on. And then we have all of these classes and stuff, but I like to scroll down here. And I like to search by Christine Derrickle. I think I really like her. And I've just started by doing 15-minute low impact classes. So I just cycle low impact, and as you can see, these 2 I did, and I've really enjoyed them. I've taken her classes before, and I really like her. The floor, I haven't really looked too much. Oh, she has, I guess it's still, let's do show all. I will say the interface is really nice, very user-friendly. There's so many different things, which I love. It's awesome. And then obviously the best part about this screen is the fact that you can, wait, and then you can pivot it all the way around. Or, you know, if I wanted to clear out space in the dining room area, I can do that. If I'm being honest, this is probably eventually going to go in our bedroom. It is much larger than I thought. But I love it. I mean, it's only day 2, ride 2. I'm not going to ride tomorrow because I think I need to give my behind a little break. But I plan on doing it 4 times a week, 3 to 4 times a week. And I'm really excited to love cycling the way that everyone else loves it. Anyways, that is my Peloton bike. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions. Who knows if I can answer them, but I can give you my experience down below. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Bye.